Hi everyone. Well, I've got a C bracelet, and I've got a extra anchor there, and I don't know if I may use it. I got 2 anchors, so I don't think I may use both of them. I might just hold that one back for a little bit. And I've already put the clasp on. So I'm going to put one of these on, and then I'll be back and show you what it looks like with just the charms on. And then we'll put the beads on. And then I'll come back and show you. I won't make you sit through all of them, because y'all don't want to see charms flying everywhere. And these are 5mm. And the little 5mm flying, because I have seen them flying. So we're just going to twist it open, slide our chain in there. I hope I got it on one. Yeah, I got it in one. And then we'll twist it back. And we're going to have to wiggle this one because it has a gap. Or at least I think I see a gap. Alright, so I am going to put the rest of these on. We'll come back and we'll put the beads on. And I'm not making you sit through that. And we'll show you the finished bracelet. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I might have enough, but I just don't think I do. So I'm going to find one with you have to be careful with these, because if it's too big, it'll go right through it. That one works though. So we'll take it and put it on like that. And then around those. Then we'll bend it back. Whoops. And we'll bend it around. And they do make a pair of pliers that do this for you. I don't know what they're called, but I saw them advertised somewhere. And I should have cut it first. I don't know what I was thinking. I was thinking I was going to twist it, I guess. And usually you just leave a 1/2 inch at the top and just roll it down. I've been using the ones I already had made up. There. That's how you do. Got a couple extra ones just in case I need them. I might need them, might not need them. I don't know. I might not even need that one I just made. But I'm gonna show you. You find the opening, and you put your pliers right beside the opening. I think I found it. Wait, let's look at it again. I dropped it. Find the opening. Take your pliers. Twist it open. And these are stainless steel, so if you want to ease your time, these are stainless steel, so if you want to ease your time putting these on, you might not want stainless steel. Unless you want to make sure you won't pull anything off. Because stainless steel, you ain't going to pull it off. But we're just going to twist it back. I'm going to go all the way down the same side as my charms and put sort of stagger them and sort of make it look balanced with the colors. And if I need them, I've got these to use. But I'm going to go all the way down them, and I'll be back and I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah, there's our beach charm bracelet. Yeah, it turned out pretty good. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end, and I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there.